Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have the Smart Screen. This is a cool device that you place inside of your car, and it gives you an additional screen that you may or may not already have. And it has a boatload of features, so let's talk about it. So once again, you got the DVR, voice controls, touch screen, and a 9-inch screen here. That's touchscreen. Smart screen. Once again, voice controls, touchscreen, 9-inch, 4 ways of sound, built-in speaker, GPS navigation, voice control, mirror link, touchscreen, and 1080p backup camera if you want to enable that as well. So there's a couple devices I might install this on. So you were seeing this video in the past. I have a Dodge Ram van that I might put this in. You'll be seeing this next, or a Jeep Cherokee. Both of those don't have that good of screens. This screen would be a lot better. So if you have an older car that doesn't have a good screen, this would be a nice device to put in, especially if you don't have a GPS. So like I said, most likely I'll be putting this in my Dodge ProMaster van. You guys will be seeing me installing this right after that, and then just going through some of the settings. But for now, let's open it up and see what we got on the inside. Okay, right away we got the screen. Very, very nice. Here, let's see. Okay. Wow. Nice looking screen there. I won't completely unpeel it because I don't want to mess it up right now. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Let's do it. Cool looking screen. Look at that. On the back, looks like a power button. Type C, thank you, aux, looks like a little SD card and another aux. And a reset button on the back. So look at that, very nice, thank you. Thank goodness it is USB-C. Did not want any of that micro USB stuff. All right, now opening up the box. Just your accessory cables here. This looks like our backup camera. I already have a backup camera, so I probably won't be installing this, but it is here just in case you need it. You got the long cable that will run all the way to the back. They give you everything here. This looks like a mounting device if you want to mount this in your, kind of like in your window there. So you got the suction device. Very nice looking there. And that will attach, most likely probably right to the back here somewhere. Yeah, just like that. So if you want to have that mounted to a window, very nice. It's like another mounting bracket. We'll discuss this later depending on where you want to mount it. So that mounting bracket will also go onto the back. I'll read the instructions for that. Cigarette adapter to USB-C, it looks like. Okay, cigarette adapter, USB-C, long power cable, thank you. So far everything looks really nice. What else? What is this? Looks like another 3.5 millimeter aux cable and plastic scrubber, just some more installation stuff. CarPlay Screen Player DVR. Big booklet there. And our little warranty card we can check out. Okay, all right, I'm gonna get this all back in the box, read the instructions, figure out what car I'm gonna be installing this in, and I'll see y'all in a few minutes. All right, and I found the location where I'm going to mount it right here, right on the top of the dash. Great little area there for the unit. So I'm just gonna go away and peel away and reveal the adhesive, place it where I want it to, and then press down. Go ahead and remove the film. It's very easy to install. And you can use the included 12 volt or a USB port if your car has that, and mine does. So we plug it right in and see, and voila, it boots right up through the USB port, which is fantastic. And right away you can see it's got DVR, CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got a really good screen. Look at that. Really nice 1080p. Really clear. CarPlay, so it works for Android Auto and Apple, so either one you have access to that. You have playback, where you can go back and play back the videos of the dash cam. You have your audio output, Bluetooth, FM radio, and aux if you would like. and your settings, which is auto dimming, clear connections, resolution, screensaver, driving position. You have all the settings you need. Really cool features. Home screen, you have your brightness, sound, and power off. One quick button and it's powered off. All right, this is me driving around with the device. Look at that screen. Come on, guys. This is awesome. Very cool. GPS connected to my Android Auto. Also, you have the Apple CarPlay as well. Either one works really well. The GPS works fantastic. You can make phone calls, microphone. It's got everything you can ask for. That was the Portable Wireless CarPlay Screen from Hot Peak. Thanks for watching.